Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. So I've stayed in Vinci for a couple of days. Really enjoyed being here, but I'm going to move on, and I've decided, I was changing my mind, I'm going to head north, cross country, but towards the coast again, because I'm in the mood to go and find beauty. I want to go and find some beauty, some beautiful spots. So we'll have a go at it today. To get back to the coast is, I'm probably wrong, I think 150 kilometers. So a bit of a drive today, and I imagine some of it's going to be pretty. So come along, hope you enjoy the drive, and I hope I find some beauty. So onward and upward. So I'm going to have a third night still camping, I think, here. What an amazing road. It's tough to come up, it's tight in the big van, but this place looks lovely. I'm going to take a walk down to the beach, and the dogs are staying in the van because I don't know how steep it is. It's really, it looks far down, it looks like a cliff. So I'm going to go down, have a look, and if it's not too big an effort to come back up, I'll take the dogs down again later. But this is beautiful. There's a place around here where I prefer to park, but the van's already here. If that wee white car isn't there when I come back, I'm going to move around to there. But I think this is the way to the beach, but I'm guessing. Rich people's houses. Maybe that particular beach, the people that live in this hillside are the only ones can get to it. Huh. Found a way down to the beach. There's a big sign that said beach. I've done a fair bit of walking, which is good. And my legs used to get sore, I don't get sore anymore. But I've only done a fair bit of walking because I walked in the wrong direction, but I was only guessing instead of using Google. Although she usually gets it wrong too.
Your destination is on the left.
Thank you. Well, she's saying it's on the left. It wouldn't take me to jump in to another 200 feet down. Haha. This looks very like a bar. If it is, on the way up, I'll be having a beer. I would love to jump in there. It's very rocky. My first swim of the trip. I'll have to hold back. How beautiful is this? Now this is what I'm talking about. So I'm going to head up further up the coast, and you know, I've realised that I'm very close to France, and I've always wanted to see Monaco and Nice. My plan was to head east, but I'm really in the mood to go west, go into France. which goes against my overall plan, but I've been all east so far. So I'll think about it tonight. Maybe go to France before I start cutting across. Maybe even go to Spain before and then cut back, because I don't have to be in Sofia, Bulgaria until the middle of July. So I've plenty of time to go and do those parts of France and northern Spain, maybe down as far as Barcelona, and then start making my way over. I really want to see Croatia, but I can do Croatia after I get my teeth done in Sofia and come back up that way. So we'll see. Loads of choices, doesn't matter. Keep making plans, and you're altering them. You're not changing, well, you are changing them, but you're altering them. I'm going to end up in all the same places eventually. So yeah, cheers again. Time to walk back to the dogs. Unfortunately, this is no good for the dogs because I couldn't walk them along the wee road. The road's narrow and bendy and doesn't have footpath for the vast majority of it. So they can do a beach somewhere tomorrow. Get a big flat beach somewhere. Don't think they'd appreciate this scenery at all. I'll give you one last look and then I'm heading back. So guys, I think this is an appropriate time to leave this one off there. So if you enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would be brilliant, comment would be brilliant. But until next time, bye for now.